Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are well and good at your home. Okay, so last we have done with the chapter number 10 measurement done. On that I have done last video exercise 10.3. On that I have done 3 questions 1, 2 and 5, and remaining 2 I have given you in the homework. I hope that question are done. If it is not then on the tomorrow my class will be there, so on that day you can ask me the doubt about that. Anyways, I will do that questions on tomorrow only, right? Okay, so uh, let's start the new chapter then. Okay, here are the new chapters. Okay, I'm telling you that which chapter we are going to start. Okay, so before that let's talk about something which is important in our life. Say for example, uh, pros I don't know, whenever you wake up, but who tell you to wake up on this time? Who tell you to eat on this time? Who tell you to read? Who tell you to play? डन. ओके, सो बहुत सारा टाइम आ गया इसमें. डन. देन आफ्टर लेट्स से आपको खाना है, या फिर मीन्स से फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू ब्रेकफास्ट, देन आफ्टर यू विल डू लंच, राइट? देन आफ्टर dinner, and then after again sleep. Okay, so who tell you all this that you have to do this all the things on this time? Done? Means ये आपको कौन बताता है? So this is basically we have हमें ये सब कहाँ से पता चलता है? We just see from the day times and night times. So done? That means कि जब दिन हो जाता है then we normally wake up, then after at the night time we sleep. Then understood? So this is how we all the things are going on. Generally यही वे में सब कुछ होता है. Done? So okay, now from this part of discussion I guess you have an idea कि आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है. Okay, so today's our topic is time. And what is the time? Okay, as per the scientific definition, there is no definition of the time. Then कोई definition ही नहीं है time की, that what is the time, when it is started, when it will be end. Then इस कब start हुआ, कब end हुआ, या फिर कितने दिन तक चलेगा. Then so there is not any kind of definition for that. I'm telling you one examples to you. Say for example, today you have eat and the breakfast some kind of things done, and you forget to eat one thing. You forget to eat one thing in the breakfast. Okay, now can you able to eat that thing in that time? Right? मीन्स कि क्या आप वो चीज़ वो टाइम में वापस जाके वो चीज़ खा सकते हो? नो. राइट? सो दैट इज ओनली द टाइम. उसका सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, दैट इट गोज फॉरवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड नो मैटर व्हाट कम्स. राइट? गोज फॉरवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड. इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ रे. जो हमने एक चीज़ सीखी थी विच इज काइंड ऑफ दिस. Then so this is the arrow of time. Then that means key is it goes forward and forward. means ये इस साइड आगे जाता ही रहता है, right? No matter what comes, what end, what start, what going. Then so okay, see, this is not relevant right now to our topic, but as I said, you need to know somewhat things about the time. Then आपको उस चीज़ के बारे में जानने की ज़रूरत रहती है whatever you are going to start. Done? Okay, so we are going to start now chapter number 12, time. Okay, so generally हमारे लिए for us what is the time? Right now 2 o'clock में बजे, that is the time, right? Whatever the day is today, that is the time. Whatever the month, whatever the year is today, that is the time our. Then so that is the time. More on in this one, we know some ideal formulas about that, just like let's say 60 second is equals to 1 minute, right? Then after 60 minute is equals to 1 hour, then 24 hour is equals to 1 day. And more on in this one, in some month we can consider 31 days. If it is a 31 days month, so we can write that 30 or 31 days, it's called a 1 month, and 12 months we can call 1 year. Then so only on this kind of point of view we just have to see right now what is the time is done. Okay, so अभी हम सिर्फ यही सारे point of view लेंगे. Then we will see the, in this chapter we will see the clock. Then so okay, so after that the completion of this chapter, you will able to read the clock, you will able to tell the time, you will able to tell the difference of the time. Then so these are the number of things that we will learn from this chapter. Okay. Today you have you got some kind of interesting homework also. Then that I will tell you after this lecture. Okay. So these are the just common criteria, just common equations. So I need that you write this in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now let's start the chapter. Okay, so first of all, there is a on page number 172. There is given I can part. I can means मैं कर सकता हूँ वो वाला part दिया है, that is relevant to your previous standard topics. Then प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड में भी मीन्स थर्ड में भी आपको टाइम तो आता ही सर, तो वो उसके रिलेटेड सारे क्वेश्चंस दिए हुए हैं. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू कन्वर्ट देम इनटू दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस ओनली. देन ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन लाइक converts the following. On that one, A is given as a 6 minute is equals to how much second? Right? Okay, now let's convert them. See how can we convert it? अभी इसके पहले ही हमने सारे equations लिखे. Okay, so for that we just have to know about the equation. Remember, we have to remember the equation between the minutes and second. Means इन दोनों के बीच में क्या relation है वो वाला हमें equation याद होना चाहिए. So that we know, that is 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Then over here we have 6 minutes. So 6 minutes is equals to how much? So we just have to multiply like that. This 2 we have to multiply 60 multiply by 6, right? Now let's see how can we multiply this one. So right now we just forgetting about the 0, so we are remain with 6 and 6. So 6 6 are 36 and जो 0 हमने एज इट इज रखा था वो यहाँ पर हम डायरेक्टली ऐड कर देंगे. डन. So that means 6 minutes is equals to 360 seconds. Then see this type of questions you have already learned in the previous standard. Okay, over here it's just given the basic, so you will remember all these things. Understood? Okay, now let's do one more of this kind. Okay, hours wala I guess आ जाएगा आपको B1. Okay, let's do the C1. So the C1 question is given as a 3 weeks is equals to how much days? How much days? Okay, this answer is 360. Okay, so we know that 1 week is equals to how much day? 1 week is equals to 7 days, right? Then 3 week is equals to how much? 3 multiplied by 7, simple, that is 21 days. Done. So that's how we have to do this kind of questions. Okay. Okay, remaining 2 you have to do in your homework. Let's do the second question now. The second question is like draw the hand on the clock according to the number of hour passed. Right? So on that one 2 questions are given, 2 questions दिए हैं. I am doing the first one A. You have to do the B1. आपको B1 आपको करना है, ठीक है? Okay, let's see how can we done that. Second question A1. Okay, over here I am doing the first one. Okay, so on this one the time I have given is a 10 o'clock. Okay, so this is the time I have. यहाँ पर मुझे 10 o'clock दिया है and I have to convert it after the 3 hours. Then that means 3 hours के बाद कितना टाइम हो जाएगा? Okay, 3 hours के बाद कितना टाइम हो जाएगा? And I'm just drawing right now the small kind of clock over here. Okay, and then after next 5 hours के बाद कितना टाइम हो जाएगा? Well, 3, 6, 9. Okay. Okay, so over here it is given the 3 hour first. So after the 3 hour we know that कि 1 hour के बाद 11 o'clock बजेगा, 2 hour after 12 o'clock and 3 hour after 1 o'clock. So at the 1 o'clock we know that the small hand means our hand is on the 1 and the minute hand is on the 12, right? Next, okay, right now अभी 1 o'clock हुआ है. Now after the 5 hours कितना टाइम होगा? Then 1 hour के बाद 2 o'clock, 2 hour के बाद 3 o'clock, 3 hour के बाद 4 o'clock, 4 hour के बाद 5 o'clock and 5 hour के बाद 6 o'clock. Or we can add directly also 1 plus 5 6. Directly we got the answer as a 6 o'clock होगा. Over here the यहाँ पे 5:30 या फिर 6:30 नहीं बजेंगे. क्यों? बिकॉज इनिशियली हमें टाइम जो है वो परफेक्ट दिया हुआ है. देन so at that time minute hand is on the 6 and hour hand, sorry, minute hand is on the 12 and hour hand is on the 6. Then okay, so that's how you have to do the these questions. Then A I have done over here. B you have to do in the homework. Okay, no need to do this kind of questions in the notebook. You can do it both the questions 1 and 2 in the textbook only. Okay. Okay, now let's do the last question, third question. Okay, so in the third question there is a given the word problems. Moni and her mother spent 3 hours and 25 minutes in preparing the dinner for her birthday party. Then okay, so Moni और उसकी मदर जो है वो प्रिपेयरिंग डिनर मीन्स डिनर बना रहे हैं. सो उसके लिए उनको 3 hours और 25 minutes लगे और उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी के लिए. देन उसके लिए वो डिनर बना रहे हैं. देन हाउ मच टाइम डिड दे स्पेंड इन मिनट. सो उनको कितना टाइम लगा होगा मिनट्स में अभी फाइंड करना है. दैट मीन्स अभी यहाँ पर हावर और मिनट्स में आपको टाइम दिया है and you have to convert it this time into the minutes. This is as easy as first we have to convert this kind of question into the mathematical form. So how can we convert it? Just like that, you have to the time is given as a 3 hours and 25 minutes and you have to convert it. That means is equals to total how much minute. Then okay, see this portion we didn't have to any kind of conversion. इसमें हमें कोई conversion नहीं करना पड़ेगा because ये already 25 minutes दिया हुआ है. So we just have to focus in this part which is given as a 3 hours. Okay. Okay. Now we know one thing that 1 hour means ये सब जो H लिखा है that is hour only, right? These are the short form of it. MIN this is minute, and when you go forward then S आएगा which is for the second, or SEC, that is that can also be used for the short form of the second. Okay. Now 1 hour is equals to how much minute? 60 minutes, right? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Then 3 hours is equals to 3 multiplied by 60, right? Okay. अब ये वाला मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम कैसे कर रहे हैं? सी डायरेक्टली भी हम कर सकते हैं साइड में, बट वी नो जनरली द टेबल्स टू 1 to 10. सो हमें ये वाला नहीं करना है. डायरेक्टली वी डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. वी फॉरगेटिंग जीरो राइट नाउ. जो 60 का जीरो है वो अभी हम भूल जाते हैं. ठीक है. तो अभी ये नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? 3 and 6. So 3 6 are 18, and now we put the 0 at the last. Then I'm repeating this one. 3 multiplied by 60 दिया है. So right now हम 0 को भूल जाते हैं. हमें 0 दिया ही नहीं है. 3 और 60 दिया है. तो 3 multiplied by 6 कितना होगा? 18. और जो हमने 0 को निकाल दिया था वो 0 हम यहाँ पे एंड में पुट कर देंगे. Understood? Okay. So the answer would be 180 minutes. Okay. Now we got this 3 hour as a 180 minute. Now on this one we have to add this 25 minutes. So 180 plus 25, that is equals to 0 plus 5, 5, 8 plus 2, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. So that is equals to 205 minutes. Answer is 205 minutes. As this one is the word problem, so we have to write the answer in the form of statement. So we can write like they spent they spent 205 minutes for making preparing dinner. Then see why I have to write over here in this statement form, because as I said कि जब वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स दिया होगा तो आपको लास्ट में आंसर हमेशा क्या स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ता है. डन. Okay, so that's it for today from my side. Okay, remaining two questions I guess remains. First one question के दो and second one का one. Done. So these three questions you have to do in your homework. There is one more homework for you guys. You just have to write the five use of the time. Then you just have to write the 5 uses of the time, that why in our life time is useful. That kind of 5 use you just have to write in your notebook. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye bye everyone.